Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Easy English Talk channel, the place where we take the stress out of English and put the fun back in. I'm Emma.
Hello, Emma. Hello, friends. I am drowning. I am drowning in a sea of paper.
Rahul, are you okay? Is that your shopping list? It looks like a novel.
It is not just a list, Emma. It is a disaster plan. I'm hosting a dinner party tonight for all my cousins. And you know my cousins. They eat like elephants.
That sounds stressful, but exciting.
Exciting? No. Confusing. I was trying to write down what I need, but I got stuck on the grammar. I have so much problems.
Stop right there.
What?
You just made the classic mistake. You said so much problems.
Yes, big problems, huge problems, much problems.
No, Rahul, it's so many problems.
Why? A problem is a problem. Why does the word change?
That is exactly what we are going to learn today. Today's topic is countable versus uncountable nouns, or simply the battle of much versus many.
Okay, please teach me fast because I need to buy much snacks before the store closes.
Ooh, we have a lot of work to do. But first, before we count our problems, we have a request for our listeners.
Yes, if you want to help me survive this party, please subscribe to Easy English Talk.
And click the like button. It helps us reach many students around the world.
See? She used many. Okay, Emma, explain the rule. What is the secret?
The secret is simple math. It's the 1, 2, 3 test.
I can count to 3. 1, 2, 3.
Good. Now take a word. Can you count it? Can you say 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples?
Yes, that makes sense.
If you can count it, it is countable noun. For countable nouns, we use many.
Countable equals many. I have many apples. I have many cousins.
Exactly. Now try the word water. Can you say 1 water, 2 waters, 3 waters?
No, usually I say bottles of water. If I just say water, it's just liquid.
Exactly. You cannot count the liquid itself. It is uncountable. For uncountable nouns, we use much.
Uncountable equals much. I drink much water.
Grammatically, yes, but we'll talk about a lot of later. For now, just remember countable, plural, many. Uncountable, singular, much.
Okay, let's look at my shopping list. I need help.
Go ahead, read the first item.
Bread. I need to make sandwiches.
Okay, is bread countable? Can you say 1 bread, 2 breads?
Yes, I go to the bakery and buy 5 breads.
No, Rahul, this is a very common mistake. In English, the word bread is uncountable. It is a substance.
What? But I can hold it in my hand.
You are holding a loaf of bread. Loaf is countable, many loaves. Slice is countable, many slices. But bread, it's just bread, so we use much.
How much bread do we need?
Correct.
Okay, English is crazy. Okay, next item, cheese.
Same rule. Can you count cheese?
Cheese, 2 cheeses? No, that sounds wrong. Unless I mean different types of cheese.
Exactly. Generally, cheese is a substance, so...
How much cheese should I buy?
Perfect. Next.
Eggs.
Do the test. 1, 2, 3.
1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs. Easy. It is countable.
So?
How many eggs do we need?
You're getting it.
Okay, now the tricky stuff. Pizza. I want to order pizza.
Ah, the famous pizza problem. This word can be both.
Stop it. That is cheating.
Listen, if you're ordering whole pizzas, the round pies in the box, it's countable. We need to order 5 pizzas. How many pizzas?
Okay, but what if I'm just eating it?
If you talk about the food in your stomach, it becomes uncountable. I ate too much pizza.
Oh, I bought many pizzas, boxes. I ate too much pizza, feeling full.
Exactly. It depends on if you mean the object or the substance.
Okay, next on the list, furniture. I need more chairs for the party. I don't have much furniture.
Look at you, you got it right.
I did?
Yes, furniture is uncountable. You never say furnitures.
But chairs.
Countable. 1 chair, 2 chairs. So I don't have many chairs.
I have too much furniture, but not many chairs.
Brilliant. Now let's talk about the positive sentence rule. Rahul, if you say, I have much money, do you sound natural?
I have much money. I sound like a robot or a villain in a movie. I have much power.
Exactly. In modern English, we rarely use much in positive sentences. It sounds stiff. Instead, we use the magic phrase, a lot of.
A lot of. My favorite phrase.
And the best news? A lot of works for countable and uncountable.
Wait, really? I don't have to choose?
Nope. I have a lot of apples. Countable. I have a lot of water. Uncountable.
Emma, why didn't you tell me this first? I could have skipped the lesson.
Because you need to know much and many for questions and negatives. Question, how much time, not how a lot of time. Negative, I don't have much time.
Ah, I see. Positive, use a lot of to be safe or lazy. Question negative, use much many to be correct.
Exactly. Now, are you ready for the rapid fire round?
Oh no, a quiz?
Yes, I will say a word. You have to shout much or many immediately. No thinking.
Okay, I'm ready. My brain is on.
Time.
Much. How much time?
Times.
Many, many times.
Money.
Much. Uncountable.
Dollars.
Many. Countable.
Information.
Ooh, many? Many informations?
Wrong. Information is uncountable. Never add an S.
Really? I can't say I have 2 informations for you?
No, you say I have much information, or a lot of information, or 2 pieces of information.
Okay, much information. Got it.
Advice.
Many advices?
Wrong again. Advice is uncountable.
What? Can you give me an advice?
No, can you give me some advice or a piece of advice?
Okay, much advice, much information, much homework.
Yes, homework is also uncountable.
But assignments.
Countable. Many assignments.
Okay, one more. Hair.
Go.
Much. He has much hair.
Correct.
But wait, what if I'm bald and I only have 3 hairs left?
Then you can count them. He has 3 hairs, so many hairs.
Okay, so generally much, but if you're bald, many. That's a weird way to remember it, but yes.
Oh, that was intense. I need a drink. Do you need much water or many bottles?
I need a lot of coffee.
Rahul, I think you're ready for your party. Let's do a final recap for our listeners so they can pass the test too.
Let's break it down.
Rule 1, the count test. Can you count it? 1, 2, 3? Yes is countable. Apple, car, idea. No is uncountable. Water, love, music.
Rule 2, the match. Countable equals many. How many friends? Uncountable equals much. How much fun?
Rule 3, the lazy hero. In positive sentences, just use a lot of. It works for everything. I have a lot of friends and a lot of fun.
Rule 4, the tricky ones. Bread, cheese, meat are uncountable. Much. Money is uncountable. Much. but dollars, many. Information, advice, homework are uncountable. Much. Never add an S.
Rule 5. Pizza logic. In the box, many pizzas. In the stomach, much pizza.
I think I ate too much pizza just thinking about it.
Well, you'd better go shopping before your guests arrive.
Yes, I hope I don't spend too much money.
Good luck, Rahul. Listeners, we have a question for you.
Yes, in the comments below, tell us, what is something you have too much of in your house?
Do you have too much clothing, too much dust, or do you have too many shoes?
I have too many socks with holes in them.
Tell us in English. Practice using too much or too many.
So, please write a comment and subscribe to Easy English Talk.